Yeah. Well then that me tell him. Me tell him once, don't ramp with me. Me tell him 2 times, don't ramp with me. You see by the 3rd time? Hold on a second, I have another call coming in. Yo, fingers, no worry, this not going to be long. Yeah, at the same girl. Wait, hold on. No, stay on line, you have to hear the story. Hold on 1 second. Yo, what happened, Britney? What? Them take your kid? Kids? Since when you had 2? Fool. The same man? You know some vex with you already, you know, Britney? Because of me, should I breed it? Oh, you see? That's your problem. I'll be a little boy you run to. You do when you do want a big man and a good man in your life, you never call for me. No, come on now, don't cry like that. Don't cry me a river. No, Britney, I never mean it like that thing. No. Just cool, man. So why them take away your kid? You mean to tell me say you never drop the picnic? Them never see it on TV. You drop the picnic. And you don't even have a license and you're driving with them. Now who for fault that? Now you're a fault. Come, Britney. Say, what you calling me for? You calling me for some advice, or you calling me for cry upon my shoulder? Because if you want to cry upon somebody's shoulder, you don't call me. You for call Chris Crocker for that bumble clock right there.
Hello? Speaking, who is this? Oh my god! I can't believe I'm actually talking to the Britney Spears. I have like 10 million views on that one video. I am like your biggest fan. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta catch my breath. So, what do you want to talk about, Britney? Britney, you're joking, right? No, slow down. You have got to be joking. Who did the kids? That bitch! Oh my god, Britney, how are you doing? Are you okay? Yes, I'm here for you. I'll always be here for you. Yes, it's just way too much for me to bear right now. No, I'll be fine. All I do is, I just care about you, Britney. That's all I care about is you. Could you hold on for 1 second?